Hey y'all, welcome back to another video.
Hey, you're good. It's big to be. Thank you.
And as you can see, we're out here at night. It is currently 9 something p.m. And I'm running errands late like I always do. Sometimes I run it in the afternoon or late afternoon or even the morning. But right now it's 9 something and I'm ready to catch the bus to go to Food Lion. I was just thinking about going to Safeway or Giant, but the bus is gonna come around 20-30 minutes. I don't have time to wait till almost 10 o'clock to get on the bus. Almost 9, almost close to 10 to get on the bus, and then yeah. So we're just sitting here to collect our bearings, to get ourselves together because we're out of breath from walking. It's humid out here, y'all. So the bus stop is right over there, over here on the opposite side. Yeah, I do things last minute because, baby, like, at the end of the day, we are sleeping, we're resting in a house, and I don't want to do nothing in the morning and afternoon. I just want to be in a house, slayed up, cooped up, all that extra stuff. Rozell, can you not? All right, come on. Get your stuff. Okay, we're going to cross the street because the bus comes into 9:21. Okay? So, yeah, y'all, we're just trying to get to the other side. Can you stay on my side? Hey, can you hold this? Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, leave those comments down below, and turn that post notification on to know that we upload videos every single day. It's your girl, Everything About Jazzy and Roro, heading to the store to get things. I'm always at the store, like, that's what my meal friend be like. Why are you always at the stove? Because I told him I live at the stove. The stove is my second home. For real, it is my second home. But no, I need to go because I need more water. I mean, he gave me water. It's like a jug, but I need like bottles of water. I prefer that too. Thank you. Trying to get up for me. Sorry, y'all. But let me get y'all back because the bus. Oh, hold up, y'all. Let me give me a minute. Sorry, Roro. All right, that was a close one. I had to get my son because he was about street and I'm not having it. So, y'all. We are in Rockville, Maryland. Rockville, Maryland. And then there's a train station, bus station is over there. I'm kind of multitasking, holding the stroller, holding his hands. He does not want to get in the stroller, guys. He wants to be a big boy and walk because he'll be 4. Go on this side, my right side. So we're out here late as hell. My friend helped me out with things that I didn't have to get the store, so he helped me. I paid back, of course, but every time we get something and use it really quickly, it goes quickly, and we need to buy some more stuff. So it's nothing too wrong to get more stuff and stock up. Can you, okay, be careful, boy. All right, come on. We'll see you guys when we get to the station because it's getting a little too much right now. It is hot in here. I don't know why I wear it. My sweater, jacket. No, it's gonna be humid.
Mommy, no.
So scratch that. We're not going to Food Lion. We're gonna go to Giant or Safeway, whatever that is. Because I just, I just seen the first bus. I seen like, okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. But yeah. I'm hot. Are you hot?
Do not cross in front of the bus.
Alright, y'all. We are in Giant. We got 30 minutes to spare. 30 minutes to spare because because they will close at 10 o'clock. It's 9:30. So we only got 2 items, so we don't have time to play around and giggle and lollygag. Come on, Rozell, come on. So we're in the cookie aisle, okay? Pick out what cookie. Rozell, can you pick out what cookie? Because they got thin ones, they got chocolate, they got Oreo Reese's, they got all different type of flavors of cookie and Oreos. No, we didn't got time to have ball. You had basketball at the house already. Okay. You do like goldfish. Rozell, we don't need the ball right now. You can get goldfish packs for your snack. Yeah, all my goodies are out. Why do you always want a toy when you come in the store? You're not getting it all the time. Can you pick it up, please? All right, come on.
So sorry. No worries.
Okay. Rozell, what Oreos do you want? Yes, we're gonna get more water. All right. Okay. Come on, Roro. All right. So. We need oh my god, y'all. I got to love the mac and cheese. Cream spinach.
Chicken.
Yes, I love their chicken. Okay. We're gonna get this because, baby, I like some chicken. Can't go wrong with chicken. Fried chicken. Not the dark, but the white meat is always the best one. All right, come on, let's keep walking. We don't got time to spare. They got a lot of good stuff here. It's been a while since I came back. We got pickles. Get you some Lunchables. Oh, we need some more turkey meat because we're almost out of turkey meat. Turkey breast. Turkey breast. Oh, you want another one? Another one? Another one? Okay. We need some bananas. Like you said, you need bananas. Oh, they got grapes. Actually. Oh, not too much. Not too much grapes. Not too much. But... Here we go. Okay, I got it. You want to help mommy or no? Okay, y'all. And this is what I like the most out of these. Okay, Rozell, that is what we're getting. Okay. Oh, these are good. These are really good. Something for a healthy gut, protein. Can't get it. Alright, I'm gonna get the... What is this? I'm getting the strawberry smoothie. And... Rozell, please. We're not getting all the pomegranate. Okay.
We are going
I don't want it. We don't want it. Can you stop making a mess?
No.
Alright, y'all. A minute. Let's wrap this. Since you've been gone. I got bags too. Rozell, stop it, please. Come on. And some of these are just wicks because, yeah, I'm not doing that. I got. Oh yeah, my bag. Sorry. Oh, what is that? Oh, no. I don't want this. It's just too much. Okay, so. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the bag. Stop, Roro. Okay, please. That's dangerous.
No.
Well, yeah. Do you want your candy? You better sit your butt down, please.
No. I want it.
Okay, yeah. Lord Jesus. All right. Thank you. Y'all forgot. Y'all put that out before water.
Want them on here?
Yeah, because those were the nicest way I could do it. But I think you gotta push them to let that out.
I'm sorry. Yeah, but I mean, I can put that in there so it's not crushing their teeth.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, can you grab that?
Yeah.
I'm going to here for a hot second.
Yeah.
Let's put the little ones on there. I'll
Like
throw
this.
the big one on there. And I can help you.
Yeah.
Over here.
Something like that.
And I can help you outside if you'd like.
No, I'm walking to the bus.
Got it. All right.
I called the cab. They don't come right now. No, you're not getting candy. Like, so this is what I got at Giant. Low key. I said I was going to Food Lion, but I changed my mind quick minute and I went to Giant. We got there like 9:20 something, and we had like 20-30 minutes to shop before they close at 10, because they close at 10, but we clocked out the register at 9:40 something, 9:50. So yeah, we're here at the train bus station waiting for the bus to go home because my son is acting up really bad, and I want to put him in timeout. I want to put you in timeout because you've been not listening.
Look at you, huh?
Lord.
Huh? What's it?
I want to smoke a J. I want to smoke a cigarette, something, because raising kids is not no joke. It ain't no joke. This is just a daily vlog. Come spend the day with me at nighttime. This is what we do. Yeah, it's a school night. My son is sick. He has a cold. He hasn't been to school in like 3 days because he's sick. I just gave him medicine before we left the house, but he's a little better. He's getting better day by day. But he is going to school tomorrow because I'm not sitting there to annoy me and make me mad. He's going to be going to school making them teachers whatever they're going to. For real. I'm not having it. Yeah, we not having it. So, nip that in the bud.
Here.
No, it's not our bus. It's something else. Can you sit your butt down, please? Thank you.
and the candy. We down to a house in the fall.
Spend the night with us. This is a nighttime vlog routine, which I barely do all the time, but this is sometimes I do it.
1 million times.
Freaking bug.
1 million times.
I got 4 cases of water. I am stacked up on water, guys. Very stacked up on water. We're good. We don't need nothing. So, yeah. I don't feel myself. I'm getting his coat. When I get in the house, I'm going to take some NyQuil because I'm really tired. I got Mino cat food. I got like a 24 pack because I've been buying singles and that's been adding up. That money's been adding up. Buying a single, $1, $2, $3, $4. Too much. But this almost 2 weeks. He's going to be leaving on June the 1st, so. And it's 24 packs is in there, so 2 weeks. He'll be good before he leaves. He'll probably have a few left before you go. I'm going to tell her to buy more cat food. Buy a pack of cat food, like 24, 32. He'll be good. But yeah, he's good. So yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, leave those comments down below, and turn our post notification on so you know that we upload videos every single day. It's your girl, Everything About Jazzy and Roro. At the end of life with us.
I played that.
All crazy and fun. Oh, look at the bus.
This is school bus. This is school bus. This is school bus.
Yeah.
Mama, this is school